Hello learners! Welcome to my math tutorial video. I'm Teacher Noel. Sa video ito, ang gagawin natin ay on how to add similar fraction. Dahil karamihan sa mga learners ngayon ay nahihirapan pagdating sa pagsagot ng fraction. I hope makatulong ang video na ito para sa inyo. At para naman updated kayo, huwag kalimutang i-subscribe ang channel ko at i-click ang bell button para updated kayo sa iba pang videos na gagawin ko. Okay, ang tatalakay natin ngayon ay how to add similar fraction. To add similar fraction, we follow the steps. Tatlong steps po lamang ang ating tatandaan. Una, add the numerators. Pangalawa, copy the denominators. Pangatlo, reduce answer to the lowest term. Okay, here we go. The example number 1. 119 plus 319 plus 719 equals, so the rules is add the numerator, so 1 plus 3 plus 7, the answer is 11. Then copy the denominators, 19. So your answer is 11 over 19. Another examples. 8 plus 27 or over 27 plus 4 over 27 plus 6 over 27 equals, just add again the numerator, 8 plus 4 plus 6, the answer is 18 over 27. Do you think 18 is 27 is the final answer? Okay, so 1827, we are going to reduce the lowest term. The lowest term of 1827, paano po ba natin makukuha ang lowest term ng 1827? Okay po, ang gagawin po natin, hahanapin or kukunin natin ang GCF ng 18 and 27. So ano po yung GCF ng 18 and 27? Okay, so the GCF of 18 and 27 is 9. Okay, so yung 9, ang gagawin po natin para ma-reduce sa lowest term yung 18 and 27, we are going to divide this GCF both sides, numerator and denominator. So here we go. 18 divided by 9, the answer is 2. Then 27 divided by 9, the answer is 3. So your answer now is 2/3. This is your final answer. Another examples. 3 over 17 plus 7 over 17 plus 9 over 17 equals. So again, add the numerator, 3 plus 7 plus 9. The answer is 9 over 17. Ano po ba yung napapansin nyo sa ating sagot? Ang sagot po natin ay improper fraction. So pag improper fraction ang sagot ng sa fraction, we are going to simplify the answer. Paano po ba natin isi-simplify ang answer or yung 19 over 17? Masisimplify natin yung 19 over 17 sa pamagitan ng pag-divide. Okay, so i-divide na po natin yung 19 over 17. So yung 19 po, nasa loob, then divide yung 17 nasa labas. Next, 19 divided by 17, the answer is 1. Then, we are going 1 times 17 equals 17. Then you are going to subtract 19 minus 17. The answer is 2. Now, paano po ba natin isusulat ang final answer? Ito po, paano natin gagawin? So yung 1, yung nasa taas or yung answer, ay gagawin nating whole number. Ilalagay po natin siya sa gitna. Pagkatapos po, lalagay tayo ng bar, hatiin natin. Then, ang remainder na 2, yun po yung ilalagay natin or gagawin nating numerator. Then, of course, yung number na sa labas, ilalagay natin sa denominator. So, your answer now is 1 and 12 17 or 1 and 2 17th. Another examples. Sir, how about if the fraction? Do you have a whole number or mixed number? Ano po ba yung gagawin natin? Okay, ito po yung ating gagawin. Madali lang din po. So, I will give you an examples. 3 is the whole number. 1, 8 plus 3 over 8. So, what are you going to do? Since the whole number is only 1 or 3, you are going to write 3. Then, again, the rules is add the numerators. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Then, copy the denominator. Do you think, learners, 3 and 4, 8 is the final answer? No. Okay, sa ibang books kasi, or depende sa teachers natin kung paano natin or i-accept na ni teacher yung 3 and 4, 8 is the final answer. Kung wala man lang sinabing si teacher na simplify or reduce your answer to the lowest term, consider that is correct. But, sa karamihang books na ating nababasa, 4, 8 is you are going to reduce to the lowest term. So, paano po ba natin i-reduce sa lowest term ang 4/8? Sa tulong ng GCF. So, what is the GCF of 4 and 8? Okay, very good. That is 4. The GCF of 4 and 8 is 4. So, you are going to divide both sides. So, 4 divided by 4. The answer is 1. Then, 8 divided by 4, the answer is 2. Then, copy the whole number. So now, your answer is 3 and 1 half. Another examples. 3 and 1/11 plus 5 and plus 11 equals. So first things to do is to add the whole number. The whole number is 3 plus 5 plus 11. So your answer is very good, 19. Then, after we add the whole number, we are going to copy only the fraction. The fraction is 1 over 11. So your answer is 19th 1/11. Another examples. 9 in 1 over 22 plus 11 over 22. Again, write the whole number. And then, add the numerators. 1 plus 11, the answer is 12. Then copy the denominator of 22. Now, 12 and 22 is the final answer. We can reduce to the lowest term, 12 and 22. Yes, by using the GCF of 2. So the GCF of 12 and 22 is 2. So again, we are going to reduce the lowest term. 12 divided by 2, answer is 6. Okay. Then 22 divided by 2, the answer is 11. Then copy the whole number 9. So your answer or our answer is 9 and 6, 11. Okay learners, may mga activity ako dito at gusto kong subukan nyo. I-solve ito at isulat ang sagot sa comment box. Here we go. 2 over 15 plus 3 over 15 plus 7 over 15 equals, and another one, 2 6 over 20 plus 3 and 2, 20. Hintayin ko ang answer nyo sa comment box. Okay learners, sana nakatulong ito sa inyo at may natutunan kayo. Sa ulit, I'm Teacher Noel, nagsasabing kung gusto mong matuto, una, bukas ang isipan. Pangalawa, bukal sa puso. At pangatlo, makinig ng mabuti para masabi nating ang math is okay. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!